Konnichiwa minasan. Hey friends, how are you doing? Welcome to Saral Japan YouTube channel. I am your friend Sujoy Chatterjee. Friends, today I am not here with any Japanese lesson or about any scholarship or admission to Japanese universities. But today I have a special gift for you. So this is the gift. As you can see here, what is written here, Kumazawa bookstore. So I went to Kumazawa bookstore in Tokyo and I have purchased something for you guys. So let's see what is it. So this is basically the famous book Elementary Japanese Volume 1 by Yoko Hasegawa. So this is an excellent book for beginners of Japanese language, and this book, that is volume 1, and along with the volume 2 of this book, these together can cover the complete syllabus for JLPT N5 and N4. So I have been told by one of my Japanese teachers that these two books can cover the complete syllabus. So friends, I have an idea, I have a plan in my mind which I want to share with you today. So we have been uh, learning Japanese in our regular playlist Japanese lessons for beginners, and we have completed 115 lessons in the English version, and in the Hindi version we have completed 100 lessons. So we shall be doing more lessons and we shall be completing as much as we can in that playlist. So that will continue because that is a very detailed playlist or a very detailed level course for the beginners, in which we touch upon each and every topic in very minute details, and we explain in a very simplified manner so that any beginner can easily understand. And the teaching style is basically the Indian style of teaching, so that students or learners from South Asia or South Asian countries can easily follow what is being taught. So now, in addition to that, what I have thought that I will start another playlist, an additional one, in which I will teach from this book by Dr. Hasegawa, Elementary Japanese Volume 1. So this will serve as a crash course kind of thing, or if you are a regular uh, learner from our main playlist Japanese lessons for beginners, so this playlist will act as a refresher or a reference or a practice playlist, and you should be gaining more knowledge from that. And if you are not currently learning Japanese from our Japanese lessons for beginners playlist, then also you can directly watch the videos of this new playlist Elementary Japanese, and very quickly you can get prepared for JLPT N5 and N4, because this will be kind of crash course. I will go in a speedy manner, so and will be very quickly completing the course for JLPT N5 and N4, and I shall follow this book as it is. So this news I wanted to break before you, and please let me know what do you feel about it, what do you think about it, and I will consider your suggestions, your advice, and if you have any additional feedback or suggestion regarding this idea, then do feel free to post your comments in the comment section of this video, or if you want to message me privately or personally, that also is possible. My email address is saraljapani@gmail.com, that is saraljapani@gmail.com. So you can write your message to me anytime and I shall reply back to you. So Elementary Japanese by Dr. Yoko Hasegawa, there will be a new playlist very soon on this channel, and we will do this full book, and after that we will do the volume 2 as well, and in that way I will prepare you for JLPT N5 and N4 at the same time. And again, our regular playlist, the ongoing playlist, the original playlist Japanese lessons for beginners, will keep continuing as is. So there will not be any change. there will not be any discontinuation. I will not discontinue that playlist because we have done a good progress over there in that playlist, so that will continue, and this will be an additional playlist. So with that information, I now take your leave. So keep watching the videos of this channel, and thank you very much for your support. Arigato gozaimasu. Mata imashou.